What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage back at it again. Today we're at Tampa Airport, headed up to Pennsylvania. My buddy Alexis called me on a 911 emergency call. Told me he wanted to put a body kit on the Hellcat, wide body kit. So I'm gonna run up there and help him do that. Stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? Two Bros Garage. We're on the way to pick up some parts for this build, for this wide body build. So I'm gonna head up to my buddy's house. He said he just got an email that he received the parts, so I'm excited to go over there and see what's up. Alrighty, guys, we're back at the Two Bros Garage main station. We're at the mother house. You know what I mean? At the garage where it all started. But basically, here's the Hellcat, my buddy's Hellcat, Alexis. We're about to take the wheels off, lift it up, and start tearing it apart to do the wide body kit and stuff. Wish us luck, guys. Alrighty, guys, here we go. We got the side skirts, we got the bumpers, and the flares. So let's do the unboxing. Alrighty, y'all, so here we have the side skirts for the wide body kit. Now we're gonna do the big box. That's where the bumper's at and everything else. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse for you guys. Alrighty, Two Bros family, here we go. We have the front bumper out. We have the rear part, like the under part of the rear bumper. We have the fender flares. We have the rear bumper, which comes folded. I'm probably gonna have to let it sit for a little bit before I install it. Here are some of the miscellaneous pieces as well, the grill, frame parts and stuff like that. And then over here, to my right, I have all the little pieces that go inside the bumpers and everything. So stay tuned, we're about to get into it.
All right, so what we got here, 20 by 11 Dodge Hellcat wheels. We're gonna run some slicks on the rears, just some all season or summer season on the front. It's 20 by 11 square setup. So what we're hoping is to put the power to the ground. We'll give it a try. This bad boy, as soon as you get on it, just spins. So this is the start of a
Little project.
little project.
All right, so we gotta remove on both sides, Torx bolt screw there. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna have to get into the rear of the tail lights to remove the tail lights. Then we're gonna remove the clips right along here. And then we're gonna pop out the there's probably a bolt there that we're gonna start popping out the bumper. So all right, so once you remove the clips and you can move this panel piece out, all you have left to do is what is it, 8 mil?
8, yes.
8 mil for these nuts right here for the headlights. So we're gonna get to that now.
He keeps saying headlight. He means tail light.
Tail lights,
So,
yeah,
hey,
yeah,
I want y'all to know.
Tail light. All right, so you just pull it a little bit on it, like that. You see?
Sounds like you're breaking it.
Tail light is out.
Tail light is out. Alright, so what we had to do here is on that bumper, which is the factory bumper, we had to swap over the sensors bar. It was 3 clips and pretty much we just pulled it off of that one, swapped it on this one. This bumper comes with the holes already marked out for the rear sensors. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we had to do is use a drop bit, I believe it's called, to go ahead and get the perfect size for there. Then what we used is epoxy, glued the old sensors in there, nice and snug. So you just got to take your time and you can get it where it looks, you know, pretty much like that.
pretty factory look right there, guys. So basically, yeah, you have to pretty much, because it's an aftermarket bumper, it comes with the marks where you're gonna drill the holes exactly. But yeah, it's a little bit of work, but you know what, it looks dope, and if you take your time, it comes out right. So let's get them. Still going down. See? You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't find the hole.
I put the back clip in first, and then
Yeah.